Hello there, Mr. Boom here and welcome to Forex Bull Hub, and in this video we're gonna analyze the gold market for the next week. That means for the next Monday to Friday, and it's from 28th April to 2nd May. Okay, so let's get started with break down the trend line, support and resistance zone. Beginning of the start, I just want to confirm that our last week's signal, that means last week gold buy entry, just trigger it, and it just hit around 840 pips, and our target was more than 1000 pips, but it's unable to touch, but it hit 840 pips and again just go down and again touched our previous zone and again go down. That means our entry point, and we took a lot of entry around that area and we make a lot from that particular zone or that particular area. Okay, firstly I want to show you our last week trading result. As you can see there is our weekly premium trading result from Forex Bull Hub, and we took total 25 entry and we won total 23 and we lose 2 entry, each of them 60 pips SL, and our total profit was 2035 pips. Okay, and with 0.10 loss size there is $2035 profit, and 0.10 loss size there is over $200 profit with our entry or with our signal. And you may following our entries or signal, especially on YouTube live trade or in our free channel, so you may know about our trading quality or trading style. So let's remove all of them and let's start from daily or weekly time frame. As per FX Bull Hub trading style, we have to start from weekly time frame and then we will break down daily time frame, then we will find our entry on H4 or H1 time frame. Okay, so let's get started. And beginning of the start, I just want to make sure why market moves last week like that or like that. Okay, as per I explained. So as you can see there, a market just testing those area, and in that case market just make a breakout, and again we took entry around that area. It go 840 pips and again down and again touch our area, and again there is almost 400 plus pips. Okay, so what happened on this area? So let's get start, or let's make a breakdown on this particular area. So as you can see, the market was on peak zone, that means all-time high zone around 3500 zone, and it just started to go down. The rise up, the reason behind the rise up market or bullish market, that was China and US tariff. Okay, and at a point, that means at this moment China just want to settle down the tariff sets with the United States or Donald Trump. Okay, Donald Trump also agree with that, and again the time just we have seen a rumor on market, and just market just started to go down or started to drop. And again, as you can see there was a news from Chinese and US, they are going to settle down the tariff rates, and that's why in each one time frame there is a value gap, that means price gap. As you can see there is a gap, or there was a gap, and again just started to go down, and finally they just told, as you can see there, they told Trump just told, won't drop China's tariff unless they give us something. That means if China doesn't drop that, we will never drop that. Okay, so that is that kind of news. Some point that kind of news was happening, and in that case from that area market just trying to go up, and there was some rumor they are going to settle down and again go up, again down, again trying to go up. Okay, and what will be happened upcoming few days, or what can be happened in next week? So let's break down the market. Okay, so let us start the weekly time frame, and let me make it okay. I'm sorry. So as you can see there, market is on continuous buy trend. That means a market is trying to rise up from a long time ago because of the geopolitical issues like Russia-Ukraine war, Palestine-Israel issues, and the China and US issues, and market just trying to rise up. And this means market is going up. That means there is a lot of inflation on even United States dollar. That's why market is trying to rise up. So in the near future, if more inflation comes on United States dollar, then market will rise up more. Okay. So in the gold market, there is 80% fundamental and 20% is technical analysis. So we will trade based on fundamentally, and we will take our exact entry based on the technically. Okay, based on the technical section. And after a few days of, or after a few candle of green candle, that means as you can see the market is continuously was bullish, and there was red candle in last week, and we got another bearish candle from weekly candle, and let's get back into our daily time frame. So we just selected our market direction is bullish, so let's get back into daily time frame. So I just select 1 day, and let me zoom out little bit more, I mean zoom in little bit more. As you can see there, I just draw a trend line. Let me correct it little bit more, and as you can see there in this in few point, market 1 time, 2 time, 3, 4, 5 and 6 time, there is a breakout and pullback, and again market just respected this trend line. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 time market just respected this particular area. Okay, so let's redo all of them, and let me make it zoom out. Okay, so as per you can see there, market is trying to go up, our market is trying to rise up. So let's find our proper direction or proper entry on H4 time frame. So as you know that this area, that means this area 3500, okay, that was our all-time high zone. That means 3501 was our all-time high zone, and if we want to draw, or if we try to draw another support or resistance trend line, so if I want to draw a trend line, let me draw it. I'm sorry if it takes more time, I'm just sorry. Okay, so as you can see there, okay, now as you can see there, market just respected this trend line. That means first time, second time, third time, and here is breakout, and again it just give us a pullback, and there is fourth time, and it's just trying to reach fifth time. Okay, and market just trying to move. That means overall market is bullish, and we have to decide our market direction. That means what is going to happen on the market, and you have to keep your concern on United States dollar, because what is going to happen on United States dollar. Okay, as you can see there is another trend line. That means that one, if we want to draw like that, you may call that as a fake breakout, or you may wait, you can wait for this particular area. That means it may come around that area. Okay, so what can be happened, or what is going to happen for next few days? So if we want to draw a support area, that means support area, this particular area, so we may draw a support area in this particular area. And there is a news, that means there is a news from econoday.com, and they are saying US inflation expectation continue to rise in April. That means in that month there is a chance to US inflation rise more. That means I told that before, that if more inflation come in market, gold will go more up. That means there is bearish chance to go up, and we have technical confirmation to go up. That means there is a trend line and there is a support zone to go up or rise up. So if I select H1 time frame, as you can see there, if I want to make this trend line perfect, let me make it perfect. So as you can see there, it may be perfect now. So if I want to draw a Fibonacci level from where to where? From our all-time high to recent low zone. That means that particular area. Okay, so if we want to draw that, so let's make it like that, and as you can see there, our 382 resistance Fibonacci area is around this one. Okay, this one, that means this particular area. Okay, this particular area, and our next zone is around, that means 61.8 zone is 0.618 zone is around that area, and our all-time high is 3501. Okay, so let's delete the Fibonacci level, means the Fibonacci level, and if we want to delete previous support area, and if we want to draw our entry zone, let me draw it. It should be, or it could be, around that particular area. It means that particular area. Okay, okay, and our SL should be around that particular area. So you may take a screenshot from this entry. Okay, so let's remove all of unnecessary drawings. So you may take this screenshot to make sure your chart, or to compare this with your analysis, and let's see what happened next. And my confirmation or my suggestion to take entry, it may go more up, and again when it come our that zone, that means this particular area, we will take by entry, and then you can take your profit as per you want. Okay, and one more thing, you must have to connect with our Telegram channel, because there we are sharing a lot of analysis, daily analysis, a lot of daily analysis and weekly analysis on our Telegram channel. So you may see that there is a lot of support and resistance zone, as you can see there. Okay, as you can see there is a support and resistance area we just sent there, and there is trend line area we are sharing each and every day. And as you can see there, we're just sharing what is happening in the world, and what is Donald Trump speaks about, and what is Donald Trump's or Federal Reserve Bank's thoughts right now. We are sharing all of them in our free Telegram channel. So you may join our free Telegram channel, t.me/fxbillionhub, or you will get the Telegram channel link in this video description. So hopefully all thing is clear now, and small investor, like small trader, can ask me, Mr. Boom, what for us? Okay, so let's make this particular video for them. So let me take a screenshot first. So remember this all of this thing that what I shared before. So let's make M15 time frame for the small time frame trader. Okay, so for the small time frame trader, as you can see there, if we want to draw our support, resistance and trend line area, so if we want to draw, okay, if you want to draw another area, okay, so since it may going to touch this area and again give a confirmation to go sell, then we can take a sell entry over here. And for this area, we may draw a support area, okay, support trend line and support area also here. And if we want to take entry, or if you want to take only buy entry, because market is strong bullish right now, so I suggest to skip sell entry. So if you want to take buy entry, so if you need to wait till reach our entry zone, then you can take buy entry, and your SL should be below this line, and your TP should be around that area or around the trend line as per the trend line. So I don't want to make this video more expanded, so I will make another analysis or any other analysis or many other analysis on the market days. So you have to must stay connected with our Telegram channel. So that's for now. Mr. Boom signing out.
Started with a drink and $1 in my hand. Now the screens are flashing like I planned. Signals rolling in like a winning land. Riding waves of fortune.